Let me guess, you've probably watched a ton of side hustle videos that promised you riches, but in reality, they just left you more confused, right? What if I told you there's a proven blueprint to make your first $1,000 online and it doesn't require a big following, running ads, or wasting hours on something that doesn't work? In this video, I'm going to show you three powerful affiliate programs that anyone, even a total beginner, can use to start earning online. These are programs that real people are using to make money every single day. Stick with me until the end because not only will I show you how to make your first $1,000, I'll also give you the exact strategy to keep scaling beyond that. All right, let's dive in. Segment one, the foundation, mindset shift. Before we jump into the programs, we need to shift how you think about affiliate marketing. Most people believe you need to be some big influencer to make money. That's wrong. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending a product you already use or a tool you genuinely believe in, and when someone signs up through your link, you get paid. But here's the secret: people don't pay for products, they pay for solutions. Well, let's look at this example. Someone who wants a professional online presence, they'll pay for a website builder. Someone struggling to edit videos, they'll pay for simple editing software. Someone who wants to start affiliate marketing but doesn't know where to begin, they'll pay for a system that guides them. That's exactly why uh, I'm recording this video. So, step one is this: stop thinking like an influencer, start thinking like a problem solver. Segment two, the three affiliate programs that can get you to $1,000. Now, let's talk about the money making part. Here are the three affiliate programs I recommend to beginners right now. Number one is Hostinger Website Builder. Hostinger pays solid commissions for every sign up, and here's why it's powerful. Everyone needs a website: small businesses, side hustlers, freelancers, you name it. Instead of selling random products, you are helping people build their online home. A single sign up can pay you $60 to $120, which means less than 10 signups can already put you over $1,000. Number two is vid.io. If you've ever tried editing videos, you know it can be a nightmare. Vid.io makes video editing insanely simple. That's why content creators, marketers, and business owners love it. As an affiliate, you earn recurring commissions for every customer who keeps their subscription. That means one sale today could keep paying you month after month. And number three is OLSP, One Lead System Pixel. This is the ultimate beginner friendly program. It's literally designed to teach you affiliate marketing while paying you at the same time. OLSP has a program where you earn your first commissions just by commenting. And once you start promoting it, you can earn anywhere from $20 up to $1,000. It has a program where you can purchase it just for $7 and then you promote all the programs within the system, and and more from it. With just a handful of people signing up, you can hit your first $1,000 quickly. So between hosting V.io and OLSP, you've got the perfect mix. A big one-time payout would be hosting recurring income would be V.io, and beginner-friendly training and commissions, that's affiliate marketing, that would be OLSP. You can start with just $7 and then promote all the programs within the system and make more money. That's your income trifecta. Segment 3, the viral content strategy. Okay, so you've got the right programs already, but how do you actually get people to click your link and buy? Well, let's look at that. The answer is simple: viral content. And no, you don't need thousands of followers. You just need simple content that solves problems and grabs attention. Here are three easy formats that you can apply. Okay, number one, before and after story. Show the transformation. For example, I used to struggle with building a website. Then I tried hosting and I had my site live in under an hour. Or I used to hate editing videos, but V.io made it so easy. I can edit on my phone in minutes. Well, stories build trust. Number two, top three or top five list. People love quick recommendations. Example, three tools every beginner affiliate marketer needs. Or top five apps that save me hours every week. These formats go viral on YouTube, TikTok, and even Instagram Reels. And three, simple how-to tutorials. Record your screen and show people step by step how to sign up, how to use hosting, how to edit on V.io, or how to start with OLSP. When you show not just that, you instantly position yourself as a guide, and people trust your link. And here's the secret weapon: a strong call to action. Always end your content with something like, click the link in the description to start your free trial, or grab this deal while it's still available, or sign up today and make your first move toward earning online. Well, it's clear, direct, and agent. That's how you turn viewers into buyers. Segment 4, the roadmap to $1,000. Now, let's map out your path to $1,000. Here's the plan. One, pick one platform. It can be YouTube, TikTok, or a blog website. Number two, pick one affiliate program. Start with the one that excites you most. Example would be, you just pick one from the list there: hosting V.io or OLSP. And three, post one piece of content every single day for 30 days. That's it. Here's how it adds up: 30 videos in 30 days. Likely each video gets just 50 views. That's around 1,500 views in a month. If just 1% of viewers buy, that's 15 sales. Now let's do the math. 15 hosting signups at $60 each. Okay, that would be 15 times $60. That would be $900. or 15 V.io signups at 20 recurring, that would be $300 per month. Every month you're going to earn $300. Or a mix of OLSP signups and programs. Okay, you can make $1,000 plus in commission in that program alone. That's the power of consistency. Even small numbers add up fast. So let's recap. The $1,000 affiliate marketing blueprint looks like this. One, focus on three powerful affiliate programs. You can just select one of those: hosting a website, Builder, V.io, and OLSP. And two, create simple problem solving content. Okay, you can include stories, lists, or tutorials within the content. And three, commit to 30 days of consistent posting. If you follow this plan, hitting your first $1,000 online isn't just possible, it's inevitable. The hardest part is the first step. But once you make that first commission, everything changes. You'll see it's real, you'll feel the momentum, and you'll want to keep going. So here's my challenge to you: start today. I've put the links to the hosting app, Video.io, and OLSP in the description. Click them, choose one, and begin your 30-day journey right now. Your financial freedom is waiting, and it starts with the very first click. And I will talk to you all in our next video. Thank you for watching.